All right, my people, this one na Oshobe, the speaker. And of course, we dey for inside Obodo, Nigeria. Now here we dey report from, we dey catapult information when it be say everybody no know, but we know am here. For inside this country now, if you not get information, maybe you go dey deformed. But from here, we go give you information with quality knowledge wey you go take know wetin dey happen for this our Obodo country. No forget to remember say this channel, you go like am and you go follow am to dey get plenty of information. All right, wetin be my name? My name now Oshobe, no be one man load. And this segment of wetin una dey watch now, we dey call Oga Vendor. Oga Vendor, we dey here, we dey catapult information. You fit even call us People's Parliament. This People's Parliament wey be Oga Vendor, we dey give you concrete information. People dey argue things logically, na grammar I speak so, and we dey let everybody dey know say inside this country everybody get stake for inside. And so when we contribute our own, we get our own opinion to make this country move forward. Oga Vendor, our people wey dey there, we dey call them the People's Parliament. When dem talk their matter, you too you go know say inside Nama na dem dey see suya. Quality argument when e dey focus to position Nigeria. Oga Vendor, no go anywhere. My name never still change. Honorable Amusement Park Oshobe, no be one man load o. We go carry this country as Oshobe, push am dey go, and before you know, we don reach the level where we go supposed to be. Today we go come back tell una the matter when e strong for ground, when the parliament dem dey argue. Make we go there.
Let me talk. Oga, angry people get here. It's every day. Complain this.
All right. You don't cut am, eh? All right. Today, the matter when they hot for inside town. Now the word when they say Oga Donald Trump for Obodo Oyibo for United States of America talk. He say, hey, he said they go carry no be soldier. Now force. Now he said they go carry come enter Nigeria because of wetin dey happen for here. According to wetin he talk, he said the killings e don too much. And so therefore, if they bring information, they give Nigerian people, especially for our Obodo president, say make e sure o, make e do anything when e fit do to stop the fight wey dey happen, especially for inside the Christian community. So therefore, very just now, we no know wetin country people, especially the People's Parliament, they wan talk concerning wetin they hear about the thing when Donald Trump talk concerning say if care is not taken if care is not taken, wetin happen for 19 kutukutu for Libya, wetin happen for other countries when e be say America enter, and before you know Cosmogony enter for there, he say go enter for here too, and he can't speak Oyibo. He said they go there swift, they go there vicious, and he go sweet. I don't know what he go sweet for inside matter where be war. He go say fast. Okay, you hear them? Yeah. So we don't go for People's Parliament now. Okay, that thing when Donald Trump talk. You hear them? You hear them at all?
I hear you.
What do you see for inside that matter?
America has to support us, not to come and fight us.
America has to support us, not to come and fight us.
You should listen to Mr. President what he said. So let's not come and fight us. Just come and help us and stop the killings. Not to come and be killing and fighting our authorities. It's not good for us. We must have our own authority who take care of us. So not to come and fight us. Just give us support to we ourselves will stop them by ourselves, not America to stop them for us.
Which type of support you want to say make
give us a military aid.
Military aid?
Yeah, for Nigerian military to go and finish the job once and for all. For us to rest.
Oh.
Yeah.
My country people now they hear. The man say instead of America to carry gbege come here, make dem support us, make dem give us military aid. He say because we don grow reach, we no be omomo again, wey go be say we no go fit take care of ourselves. But the time when this thing don dey come since, some people say e don too tey, and as our people no fit do am, so if America come, e no bad. Wetin you see talk for inside this matter?
We are on our own. We are not under anybody. We can do it ourselves. But what we need from them is to give us support to do it ourselves, because we are able, we are capable, we are sure we can do it. We have been to other foreign lands, so why can't we do it for ourselves? We did it in Liberia, we did it in Congo, we did it in Uganda, and in several countries of the world. So why can't we do it ourselves? So we have the capacity, but America has to give us support.
Hey, oga, this man don talk. Na this man be the chief parliamentarian, people's parliament. He say Nigeria don do am for Congo, e don do am for Liberia, e don do am for different countries. Uganda. He say so if we fit do am for this country, go that country, we come go maintain peace and order. Till today dem dey say we be giant of Africa. In fact, dem say without Nigeria, Africa go get small comma. He say so make dem left us alone, so that we go fit do wetin, we go fit settle this matter once and for all. My people, we see there for oga vendor. Na true say when we dey here, we dey get information. Oga, you wan talk?
Yes.
I see you dey nod your head.
I dey vex.
Wetin you wan talk?
Something I don cry for this country since when they born me. Now I start praying. I don pray, my father don pray, my mother don pray. We see dey the same room wey we dey since now. They keep people every day, kidnap and battery. Why did they happen, bro? Who dey waka, we no get confidence on movement of our country. So Donald Trump come here, come say, "What bring soldier come our country? Make they come bring freedom." It don't be freedom fight. Like say this matter, don't they bring hangover? What did they happen? When me I know, we dey our own. This Africa's Nigeria, we don our own. No need to anybody to come and fight for us. You understand? Let us be justice. This country, you understand? A leaders know what is really happening in this country. May they stop this because of anything, not because of God. Let youth, the way go school, hustle come. May they get freedom. May they chop what is about chop. May they go sit from come. May they chop every day. Bandit, soldier down every day. Police down every day. Ordinary human be down every day. What cause this nonsense, my brother? Who will stop all those things?
So wetin you wan talk now concerning this wetin Donald Trump talk so?
Donald Trump matter when he talk say he wan come to our country. We don't need them. We don't need them. Because we come now, another aim go enter. Another aim go enter. Because when you come, we won't carry our good, we won't carry anything. Baba, your target, because when Tinubu come, I know say they get am come. Nigeria no get ambassador to UK. If I no mistake, if they seriously, that man make no come this country.
All right.
Come for himself. I do on my own. Dey your own.
All right, this man say I dey on my own, oh, make you dey your own, oh. He say all man for himself, oh. So therefore, wetin that in the talk now, I say Donald Trump. We know say you get good heart for this country. You dey see say then they buy some people, then they delete them by turn. He say the thing provoke you. Say but wetin one of the parliamentarian no, I go call them papermentarian. Wetin one of the papermentarian talk here be say, he say Donald Trump, because no, na 3 times I call you, make you help us with aid, military aid. Make we take do the waiting, make we take fight this war. He said, for you to come, mbano. He said, in a one time. So therefore, if na military aid, make you say. But this one man, he say, all man to himself, we don't, all man for himself, let me say it, all man for himself, he said, do your own, make I do my own. If you want to help me, you did here, they do what you go take help me. You don't hear this matter. As you hear this matter, when Donald Trump talks, say he go come Nigeria with Ishakakpo with the military. Say he go there very vicious, he go there very sweet, and in fact he go very fast. They go do the thing fast to make sure say the push come everybody when they cause cosmogony for the pie of Christians. For inside this country. What do you want to talk?
To my own understanding, the man, maybe they are using our resources.
The man they want to?
They are our resources. If not like that, we don't need somebody like him because we know about them. They are capitalists. So if that kind of person come to Nigeria, maybe their aim is a different thing, because according to what is happening here, now we go fit tell the world say this is what we are facing. Because in some area he talk about Muslim and Christian killing, and what we are seeing here now is not it's not by Christian. They are killing everybody irrespective of the religion, of their religion. So you see that statement for him to even tell us say they are killing Christian. No, it's not done. We have to reverse that statement. What we want to hear from, if you want to help us, then we agree.
Like which kind of help you want make Donald Trump help you?
Maybe maybe they should aid our military in terms of the arms, the ammunition, because to my own level sef, we don't need them. Maybe the military to come here, but he can support us. If they want to support us, make dem supply us all what we need. We have a gallant soldier, a gallant army that can do the work for us. Thank you, sir.
All right, so the man say we get, I like that word, he say we get gallant army, gallant. We get gallant army that can do the work that Donald Trump, brother Donald Trump, yes, we will call you brother now because you say you get love for us, for the Pai when they Pai Christian. Some people they say, no, not be only Christian that they Pai oh. He said not be only Christian that they Pai, that they Pai our Muslim brothers and our Christian brothers. So therefore, he said waiting they want to, na just waiting, na just aid. Help also with military equipment so that we go fit to take do waiting. Fight these people when we should come, both Christian and Muslim, so that everything go waka one. We see therefore the Parliamentarians Assembly. The Parliamentarians Assembly. How una dey? How una dey? Nothing dey happen today.
Wetin happen? Na just brag the way that president dey brag say he wan come our country, say he wan come dey, he wan go save us for kidnapping. Kidnapper. Wetin me and keep on saying? Na my leader for my country, me I wan beg. All the big men for top, make I beg them. Make they remember say this generation are coming. Go soon time, many people go soon go. And many go come on board. Make them beg this kidnapping now, my nanny. Make them do. No, Donald Trump not to concern us with you. All man for himself. I keep on saying. All man for himself.
All right.
Come the eye one beat it. Come carry and go. Okay. If I carry it to hold you, your eye will go.
Okay, all right. Now you see many things that we dey hear for inside the Parliamentarians Assembly for here, and na me Oshobe, no be one man load o. Na me dey carry this information dey give una from Oga Vendor. Sister, you dey smile there. Sister, you dey smile. How you dey? My people, the tori be say inside this obodo country when we dey so, we know say for inside this country, everything when we dey do for inside this country, we go school, and we know say there is what we call sovereignty, the sovereignty of a nation. Donald Trump, he dey for America, and he come talk say, wetin him dey hear, wetin him dey see, plus including the report when dem dey give am. He say the thing don dey make him belle dey do gbutu. He say, e get as e be o. Why him belle dey do gbutu? Because na human being na im dem dey talk say e dey delete per minute per second. He say so therefore, he come draw ear like this. He say, Nigeria, make una be careful. We dey come o. When we come, no be the eye when dem take dey drink ogogoro, dem take dey drink water o. Na wetin Donald Trump dey try to talk. He say, no be the eye when dem take dey drink ogogoro, dem take dey drink water o. Nigeria. Because this issue of dem say You know, so some people go say them say family. Say lie dey inside. Wait to make we check and balance am. Them say family. Say lie dey inside. Then tell Donald Trump say then we should come Christians for here. Abi him come see am for himself. Because if he come, that one not go be then say. But if them tell am, it go be them talk say. But you know, there is what we call security report. And the people, when they bring security report, there be people and be human being too. And so some people come, they say, these people, when then they talk, say them bring report, as them be human beings, so they feel miss am. What do you see for inside? Now true say the talk when them tell Donald Trump, I been at the one when he be say he talk where he forget the informate. Now security report, I been come here. You know, say some people that go talk say Donald Trump, if he come, if he disguise like masquerade, you see if he come, he go dey waka for inside the whole state, he go get information, he go. But if they say na security report they give am, na human being give am. But many people they say, any report when American get, he say lie no dey dey inside o. How you come see am? Make we carry waka enter. Oga kpatakpata, how you dey? You be person wey dey for parliamentarian assembly. This na parliamentarian assembly. And I know say you be member of the parliamentarian assembly. Donald Trump come tweet. He saying they come Naija. He saying they come Naija. In they come swiftly. In they come, the thing when he go do go sweet, he go fast. And before you say Jack Robinson, he don't finish work, he don't go.
That's what it be.
He said because the story when they hear say then they kill Christian. He say he dey pepper am for body. Okay. What will be your own for inside this man? What do you think when Donald Trump talk so? What will be your own?
Oga, una good morning.
Good morning,
Nigeria, everybody, good morning.
Good morning.
We'll stand here, ain't here about now, we'll stand like this.
This is not parliamentarian assembly.
What did they happen for this country? Where we say the thing work out leg, so they go enter Donald Trump for USA. That thing na danger. That thing na danger. When waka from Nigeria, you know how many kilometers to Nigeria to USA or to where Donald Trump dey? They hear. I come to carry eye dey see. That thing na wahala o. As he talk, say he go come. We dey expect am go welcome am with 2 hands. We wan make he bring filter those people out from where dem dey. Yes, and the leader wey dey sponsor them, make he bring them come outside, make Nigeria say wetin he come do for Nigeria na true o, na true e be. Wetin dey happen for Nigeria na true. Make he filter the Boko Haram or whatever dem call themselves and the people wey dey sponsor them. No be only Boko Haram o, because if you come filter Boko Haram, carry them comot, dey sponsor, dem still dey there. People wey dey follow back, dey do tachere, give them money, do that, do this, they go still form another group again. Make him first for force come target, carry them either with anything wey wan come to carry those people wey dey sponsor those kidnapper first. And the killing issue I go talk about. No be only Christian dey kill. I stand for Kogi Gadagba say I no gree for that statement. Say Donald Trump go tell us say na only Christian dey kill. But they enter mosque kill the whole Muslim wey dey pray. Na Christian be that. So that issue make dem iron it out very well for us. Make the thing so if you say na Christian now, the thing no go come blame one like say na Christian. No be only Christian o, both pagan dey kill. Because people wey dey go carry from inside motor, some na pagan, some na Christian, they carry them go inside bush, slaughter them, do everything. That thing no work. Na wetin make this country dey spoil be that. The gods of the land dey vex. Make people, other people come around, make dem help us out. You know, we are inside pepper, no be soup. Pepper, everybody Nigeria dey suffer pass slaves before. Please, I beg Donald Trump make it come now as he talk. We trust him. We know what if he do. He don't do it one time for Nigeria. We don't send the boy come. We don't send.
We don't trust him. He should
come, let him come. Let him come. Anyway.
We don't want
madam, you say what? You say what?
No, what I'm saying is he's not allowed to come. Firstly, are there claims of Muslims? Yes. Are there claims of Christians? Yes. We are in Nigeria. And Nigeria is a multi-religious country. Our president is a Muslim, his wife is a Christian, and then they are doing collaborations. They work with Christians, they work with Muslims. We can't say, okay, because the only religion in Nigeria is Christian. That's why they are killing the Muslims. Or the only religion in Nigeria is Muslim. That's why they are killing the Christians. No, there are a lot of instances where they've gone to mosque and killed everybody in the mosque. And then we knew this is our country, and then we are trying to like curtail that circumstance, not for Donald Trump to come because of what he has cited in our country.
Yes.
Because the economy of USA is crumbling now. Everybody knows.
No.
And we know our refinery is working well. Dangote refinery is working and is sorting out the crude oil facilities and the needs of this country. And that is his target. And then we don't allow him. He is not allowed in this country. He is not allowed.
So what do you want Donald Trump to do?
Donald Trump can sort out. If he really wants to help Nigeria,
Yes. What do you want him to do?
he can send in military aid, just like the vendor has talked. He can send the aids which we can use to like target those people
leaders there.
and the leaders that are sponsoring them to kill the Muslims and the Christians. Target them, erase them completely, if it's possible, from this country. And then we have a peaceful country to live in. Coming to kill the whole Nigeria or poor people or make it sweet is not a solution at all. He's trying to make a Nigeria go into non-existence, and we don't want that. We don't condone that in our country.
Una don hear wetin our sweet angel dey talk. He say Donald Trump. He say that man dey call him. He say na another young Natasha. They call you young Natasha. Young Natasha.
One love, Africa.
Wait,
One love.
thank you. You don't try. As it be like that, so this our sister don't talk. Say, Oga Donald Trump, Uncle Donald Trump, Brother Donald Trump. He say make you jailbreak. Say because wetin in dem dey see for inside this country, we say all these Jankoliko people, dem fit just stop motor, dem go pack everybody enter for inside bush, and when dem carry people enter for, dem no dey know pagan, dem no dey know Christian, dem no dey know Muslim for inside. He say dem dey buy anybody buyable. So therefore, dem come dey talk, she come dey talk say make you take am jejely. Make you take am jejely. He say if na aid military aid you fit send come like wetin dem go fit to take like that man talk, track the people when they sponsor and the people wey involved, make dem catch them. He say if na that one you go fit take help Nigeria, make you do. He say but make you come send a plane or that your bomber. He say big olo. That is exactly what I'm saying. Young Natasha. All right, my people. We get from here now. We don't get one person whether they call Young Natasha. Young Natasha talk say he say he no want. He say he want a situation where they go send aid come to help. Okay. You be.
Never finish. Oga, you don't finish.
No, make we see this Oga. You concur with what he said.
Yes, say what you concur. Let him say what you concur.
All right, my people.
You want? We need him to come. This young Natasha issue. She's making the sense. I know, we know. But this insurgency, what do they call insurgency? Where a Igbo on a politician give am that name. We no understand. It don't take. So we need to Trump to come. If he no come, the thing go stop. If he say make he no come, this thing go continue.
When they say make Donald Trump come, Donald Trump no go come here. He say he wan send in military people come. Now me know.
Now them we need. Now them we need. Make them come. Make them bring their machinery. Come they test Nigeria who be Boko Haram make they carry. We need them that way.
You need them?
Over need them. Who be insurgency make they carry. Who be bandit make dem carry. Na wetin we need be that. No be to just come say you wan bomb anywhere the way young Natasha talk. No be say wetin Donald Trump wan come do be that o. Donald Trump no be mumu o. He wan come to search to filter like say you carry filter, the filter cassava and maize to know the bad one, you throw am. Na wetin we need be that, oga.
But we no fit do am ourselves.
We not fit.
Our security since how many years now they don dey do. Armies dey enter bush. Army they are made for bush. How many army dey inside bush now?
Okay, how you take know say you no be army now? How you take know say army no dey bush?
If army dey bush, so as e go still remain for bush. Na inside water dem be, or they dey use fly. Na magic dem dey use. So armies, our army dey fit do am, but which army wan gree to go enter bush for 1 month, 2 months?
So which army dey enter now?
No, all the army now, politicians don corrupt them already. Army no wan enter bush again. Where money dey now, the army dey. Now president as I tell you so. So no way, make people wey go help us. If they no come, this country go remain like this. I swear, no be say I swear to God, but I swear.
All right, my people, this one na the Parliamentarian Assembly Oga Vendor. Any which name you call am o, whether na Parliamentarian Assembly of which Honourable Amusement Park Oshobe PSC Primary School Certificate, GCE General Certified Entertainer, MSc Master of Situation and Circumstances, EFCC Economic and Financial Crime Consultant, and by the grace of God, the only man wey never travel go Jerusalem. But get JP. JP. All right, my brother, your body dey hot today. Okay, how you dey? I see say you don carry paper from the Parliamentarian Assembly. They say Donald Trump talk say he wan send force come this country, come take put end for inside the kpai when dem dey kpai Christian. Some people say Mbano no come. Some people say come, send them come. Because the thing don reach us here. Wetin be your own for inside? You want make
na true. I wan make they come o.
you want make e send dem
Yes o. Make they come.
make una allow this man talk. Why you want make it?
Thank you very much.
Yes.
Because we are suffering seriously. Some people they are there. They don't know even to eat. It's a problem. Our corruption is too much in this country. We wanted they should come.
But no be corruption dem dey talk now. Na the kpai when I mean kpai when dem dey kpai Christians.
Yes.
He say dem dey kpai Christians. But some people say no. He say na both Muslim and Christian dem dey kpai.
Yes.
Donald Trump say na because of this kpai of Christian na im go come. Some people say no, make dem no come.
If they come help us now. This papa they fight.
What about our own soldiers? Somebody say our soldiers are gallant. Our soldiers no go fit do am.
They don't fit do am.
Why you fit say they no fit do am?
Thank you very much. If they fit do am, those people wey dey kill, why they no go finish them? Why they no fit go finish them? Why? Let they talk am now.
But somebody talk say Nigeria don go Liberia, Nigeria don go Congo.
Na before. Na before. Not be now. We don't have a Nigerian army again. If Nigeria dey, all those papa dey fight. Where they dey? They dey inside hole. Abi they dey where?
So what do you dey try to tell Nigerians now and to tell Nigeria?
And they tell Nigeria, make they come help us. Army no fit do this thing. Papa too much.
This man say bye too much o. This parliamentarian wey dey here, he say im dey talk say bye.
You tell us say our army they are not capable.
Okay, take over.
I disagree with you because our army they are not is more better than their own. Get to America where they are corrupting. They are more corrupt than us.
It's like
More talk true. Why are you saying it's lie? Facts. Oga, our armies have already been corrupt by the leaders. So know that our army cannot do it, but because the people that are sponsored they are in power. Are you getting me? So if na small the people that are sponsored they are in power, our army cannot do it. Before the army get to Sabisa forest, they don't first people when they for Sabisa don hear say army they come, they go lay ambush against them and kill them all. Who is feeding them with information?
So with wetin you dey talk now, that means you to talk say wetin the oyibo dey talk say there is more in the Nigerian army.
Yes.
So now when Donald Trump say instead of we to dey fight this one, he dey here, he no dey here, make him come.
Make it come. Enough is enough. The way people are dying being kidnapped is too much in this country.
Oga come.
No, excuse me. Let's be diplomatic. Sorry to say, you know, we Nigerian, the situation of our government now is beyond our power. We actually know that the government are not doing well, and at the same time, military would have been the solution because we are all agitating for revolution. But the revolution we need, military would have been the solution. But the problem right here, the current situation we find ourselves now is that the military has become subject to the leaders. The leaders are making use of them, and they became our enemy. So if the government, if the citizen can be empowered to become a revolutionist, let us fight the government massively and make sure they are completely out of our leadership. So we find another subject, another group of, another system of government. But America is not the solution, because they have never been a good example to any situation like this. Because other countries they've been visiting, we see no development. See, let me see. What I see in Burkina Faso is something worth to emulate. You understand? If Nigeria can stand firm to present a leader, even if it is military, democracy is not a solution to Nigeria problem.
Why do you say democracy is not a solution to Nigeria problem?
Because the way we manage our democracy is very poor. It does not even go according to its written. The way it was written to us was not presented to us as we had it. So now what we want is a revolution.
What type of revolution?
The change of government. I believe in military. If the military have the control of themselves, they will deliver.
But you just said the politicians are corrupt.
That is why let them take over leadership.
Who?
The military. By the time they are in power, the politicians became nobody. Then, because if politicians are still in control, there is no way they will be able to deliver their dividends of leadership. It will be difficult for them. But for them to be in total control, because America they are criminal. They will come to this country, try to enslave us upon our resources, and at the end of the day, we regret inviting them. Putin is a thief. We have seen series of his error in different countries, both the Middle East, Africa, and every other part of the country. They have been visit other countries. They have gone to help. Today there's no development there. I didn't see anything.
All right, my people, when I don't hear wetin this man talk. In the talk say, as they talk this matter, so he say in the talk say they don't corrupt our military. He said because if they look at well. He can't bring the matter of Burkina Faso. Burkina Faso na military dey there. He can't talk say as they bring the matter of Burkina Faso, so if they want a situation like that, but here we don't get democracy. Democracy don't turn down. Now for us, now for us to build our democracy, to maintain it, now we dey pray for. So that our leader go fit get good governance. My people have to wait plenty salute. Una dey talk here.
According to Abacha said that let's save our country by ourselves. You understand? During Abacha said it in his media that we know the problem of our country. Let's solve the problem within ourselves. In our country. They tell you say they don't know. Abacha never allow any foreigner to come to his country, and that's why he don't used to travel. So our problem lies on our own hand. If the leaders will be able to do what they are supposed, all these things will stop. Yes, they will stop. Our Nigeria, they are not killing our Nigerian army anyhow. Killing our police brothers and sisters anyhow. And now they are like telling us that the foreigners should come. Any foreigner that comes to pay 1 naira now, they will be taking billions of naira of our wealth.
So what do they try to talk now, guys?
They try to talk now, not until foreigners come to our country to save us. We can do it ourselves. Why do we have Nigerian army? Why do we have Nigerian Air Force? Why do we have all these Air Force? They are capable to do it. Let them give them chance and do it. Let them remove their interest. Let them remove their all on their throat. Let them put fear of God. Let's forget about the religion. The Almighty Allah has already decided that all of us in Nigeria will be a Christian. We will be. We want to be a Muslim. We will be. We want to be a pagan. We will be. And we want to do what we will be. And Nigeria, we are not fighting religion. And for Nigeria, we see Muslim and marry Christian. Yes. Tinubu marry Christian. Atiku marry Christian. As I am, he marry Igbo woman. As I am like this, I'm a new people tribe from Nigeria State, from Bida. I'm also Christian. You understand? I have done so many people. Now I'm in Nigeria State, but now I'm in Kogi. Do I know you people before? We don't know you before, but now we know each other. So we are brothers. They can never share. So we shouldn't use another person to come and help us. Any country that America entered, there must be a problem. Yes, there must be a problem. There must be a problem. They will come and thief.
Now the
So we Nigeria, we believe that wallahi, if they want to solve Nigeria problem, if we want to solve Nigeria problem, according to Abacha, he said that when you see a criminal operate for 24 hours, and the government did not arrest that person, that means the government has the support on that. And it is true. Now, a soldier was telling us in Binungwari, saying that civilians will come and tell us that bros, the idea, the distance with them is not from here, than other upstairs. So they will tell you, say that the man that is driving the APC will go inside the APC and start the APC. The government will set. At the end of the day, what would they tell them? They will tell him that, oh, my friend, off that thing. They will not give you order. He will be calling. The captain will be calling. They will not pick. Because he's waiting for order. And anything that he has to do, they will not, at the end of the day, they will not tell him that, did they attack you people? Let's tell ourselves the truth out of it. If our government wants to solve this problem, we will solve it. So please, stop killing our people. Let them do their business. They are killing our soldiers. And now look at it. Let me tell you one thing again. They will kill our soldiers. Once our soldiers die, let it die, everybody die. They will not even give them what they are supposed to. How much senator is receiving? How much Nigerian army is receiving? How much police is receiving? How much those people are receiving? And they are dying for this, with the name of this country. Somebody is calling 30-something million naira just to say I agree, I don't agree. The senator doing, I agree, I don't agree. That is all. But army now will be in the bush for 24 hours. The whole rain will beat him. He's even buying khaki on his own. Buying khaki as Nigerian army. Oh.
All right, my people, we there for parliamentarian assembly. Inside this parliamentarian assembly, we there, they get the information proper now, and we still there here, and we go make sure say we go get all this voice when they talk concerning this tweet when Donald Trump tweet. Make we go begin to look at other issues when they dey for inside this country as we waka go the paper.
More this to them.
Make we begin look the papers one by one. Oga no vex, na you be the chief parliamentarian. We dey look inside the Nation newspaper. Inside the Nation newspaper, we get Senator Jimoh Ibrahim, CFRO. He bring 100 million bursary award to 1,000 students of Ondo State South Senatorial District. Yes, one of the problems for this country, they say education, they're not truly they fund down. Now here for inside this country, we see say Pikin go Obodo, he win award, he come back. If they tell you the money when they give that Pikin, you go laugh. He go pepper you for body. So when we see say Senator Jimoh Ibrahim, CFR, he bring 100 million for bursary award, that means they encourage education. I mean, not be so. And when you begin to encourage education like this, now something when it be say we when they for parliamentarian assembly, we applaud. So that Senator Jimoh Ibrahim, good and fine. We got another one for here. It's a fresh philanthropic gesture. Otedola donates 4 billion for electronic engineering block at Augustine University. Now we dey see how our ogbonge businessmen dey do for education. See this one, 100 billion for bursary for 1,000 students. See this one, fresh 4 billion for electronic engineering for Augustine University. When we begin to see people when they contribute like this for education, then we know say we don dey get people when go carry this country go forward. Because if you comot education for inside country, especially when e be say na science na dey take over the country now, e get as e be. We commend Otedola, we commend Senator Jimoh Ibrahim for the good work wey we dey do. All right, for inside this one, we still see I am moving to APC in Bayelsa interest. Now, Doye Diri, the man, what they call Doye Diri, when the governor of Bayelsa said, he saying they catapult, they enter APC for the interest of for the interest of Bayelsans. So anybody get your own chance to catapult, get your own reason to catapult, and you don't give Nigerians and Bayelsa State the reason to catapult. He said the catapult enter what do they call it for APC. He said because of for the interest of in state APC. They begin to swallow everybody like APC don't begin to swallow people, other rods like Moses when he rod they swallow magician. Anyway, good luck. Anyway, and so PDP faction crash over warning letter. That one day for inside the Nation newspaper. PDP factions then clash over warning letter. Party may not survive. Na Fayose dey talk that one. He said the party, as in they see him so, he not go survive. It's as in they see him so, he not call himself prophet. He not call himself seer. But in the talk say, the way when they look this thing, we not go survive PDP because I don't know. All right, APC mock Abga over Tinubu's alleged support. APC come dey laugh Abga. They laugh Abga. Sake say Tinubu dey talk say he support them. Anyway, that one na that as per that. In case you dey there, you want to get more information for wetin I don talk now, go any parliamentarian stand just as we dey here. So carry one and begin to do wetin and begin buy and read. NTA roundabout now we dey for local jail here, Kogi State. Come buy am here. This na our chief parliamentarian. He's the speaker of the parliamentarian assembly. Abi no be so? I be deputy speaker. Okay. Now make we start from this one. This Jimo. He say 100 million bursary for 1,000 students. What do you talk concerning the thing when this man do so?
They tried a lot.
Huh?
They tried a lot, and I hope other Nigerians should follow up. Yeah, so that free education all over the country.
So you make there be free education
all over the country, from primary to advanced level.
Hi, okay. God bless you. Okay. You are in the parliamentarian assembly, and we just say this heavy headline say Senator Jimo Ibrahim CFR. Now 100 million now give 1,000 students for Ondo South Senatorial District 2025. What do you talk concerning this thing when this man?
Let other political Ugandan contribute and emulate the same thing, and they can complement by giving the students better job when they graduate. Because it cannot be complemented when the man goes to school and come back home and start feeding from his father's table.
Thank you.
So that is why Jews of nowadays think education is a scam. Why? Because when they spend much money to school, they have nothing to show for it by getting a job. So let the government encourage students by giving them good job, creating more what they call it, employment for labor when they graduate from school. Those days when I was growing up, immediately a student graduated from school, company will go and wait for them at the place where they are graduated to give them a job with a car, begging them to come and work for them, fighting for over a particular student. Nowadays, students are the ones breaking their head to call. Even some people commit suicide because to get a job. But this country, for now, education is a scam. Why? No job for educated individuals. So complementing the education is by giving them a job when they graduate.
So first of all, you commend Senator Jimo.
It's a good move.
And one thing when people they talk say why the job not dey? Now because industry is not dey. What do you talk about that one?
Industry no dey. Why? Nigeria started on a good note. There was a time in this country, president was saying that we don't have problem of not having money. It's how to spend it. So what later happened to the money? Bad corruption, bad leaders, and I'm thinking the leaders are picked from the followers, meaning that the character of the followers show in the attitude of the leaders, meaning that whatever we see in the leaders is exactly how the population is. So if the whole society can change by embracing dignity in labor, at the same time believing in value as exchange for currency.
My God, look at that. Believing value for exchange of currency.
Not believing in a caricature magic that there's a person somewhere who can send money to your account without nothing to exchange for it. That's no future. That's no future for any country.
But do you believe that when we create a love of
if I have something to produce, you have something to buy, you go home smiling because you have bought something equal to the money you have exchanged with me. Me too, I go home smiling as a company that I have exchanged my goods to the amount commensurate to it. So if company come from overseas to invest in our country, they can exchange their goods to their to accrue money, accrue to it. They will not be happy. Anyone available will not be to attract another one. So those days when there are company in this country, no power to fuel their company, no good road to transport their goods to the nearest marketing place, nobody is safe at the space of work because kidnappers are everywhere. Will you want to continue to invest in such a country? You will run now. Many of us, my challenge is now in Ghana. Is Ghana better than Nigeria?
It's not in Ghana.
It's in Ghana. And they were formerly here. Pojo was in Kaduna. Where are they today? Yes. They're gone. Yeah, PZ. These people who are involved in the refrigerator, this fridge, tobacco. Where are they? They're supposed to be increasing, not decreasing. Many of them are around to the neighboring country where they can have the infrastructure to power their business. For instance, I want to start a business. I'll think about the indices, the strategy involved. How? What do I need to power my company? How much do I need to pay my staff? How do I transport my goods to the nearest marketing place? Who are my buyers? This thing has to be in place before I put my money into any business in any country. But all these things, if you look at it, maybe 10% is available in Nigeria.
10%.
And if 10% is available in Nigeria, will you as a businessman, if you as an individual want to go and invest in such an environment? The reason why Dangote is doing well is because many of our political juggernaut are investing in him, and they are using their power in the politics to fashion policy that will support Dangote business. That's why that is something that you cannot confirm. We can. How can you confirm it? Because we know many people who has big shareholders in Dangote, which you as a person knows their name. You used to release their name every year. It's not hidden. Their name are released every year. Many shareholders in Dangote's company. Either is it food company, is it cement country, is it cement country, is it sugar? Which one? And even the present one now, they are talking about expansion of what do you call it, petroleum industry. If Dangote has no political supporters, he would have survived the last crisis. Yes. That would have brought him down, because so many people who are really into that business they are formed cartel to bring him down. Anyway, thank you very much. But the bottom line is that we need industries. Yes. And before we need industries, we go get wetin on ground. Light, good roads, and better security. All right, we sit there for inside the Parliamentarian Assembly, and we want to let country people know, say, this Parliamentarian Assembly, what will they do here? Oga vendor. E go dey continue. I mean, so make we dey pass information, dey give country people. Anywhere you dey, they listen. Make you know, say, this one we don't start, we not go stop by the grace of God, and we go dey continue to move. We salute our Oga when they here. Oga, thank you very much. The chief Parliamentarian, the chief.
Chop 3 times a day. The country and a newspaper they sell for money tonight. I give the information to Express Conference of Nigerians. This is me, Jamaican. We gotta tell you, I mean, yes, every day we gotta tell you.
You know they buy you they buy paper. All right, my people. We see there, we the 2 and they go. And this one now, Oga vendor, the Parliamentarian Assembly. Now here we sit down. The matter we dey look today, before we go inside to look some of the papers, we talk about this issue of the tweet. Na tweet but the thing come begin dey do, e come begin dey stir water, e come begin dey shake table. Na tweet like Donald Trump tweet, but the thing dey begin dey shake table, begin dey stir the water. The political kitchen, e come begin dey do igbutu. But many people dey look am. Wetin Donald Trump talk? Wetin Donald Trump talk? Na wetin go make country fear? Abi na wetin go make country sit down and reflect and say wetin cause this one? Wetin cause this one sef? Some people dey talk say for some very long time now we no get ambassadors for different countries wey go help us fit dey go talk say like say somebody dey for Donald Trump, even if oga president no fit go there, the ambassador wey dey there go say make I pay visit go meet oga, this thing wey you talk so e no be like that o. But we check and balance am. Most countries for inside this world, oga president never send ambassadors to the countries. So how we go take make our relationship with different countries make e cement like guguru and groundnut, like rice and beans? You get as e be. But we still dey waka. We want to know wetin country people dey talk concerning this Donald Trump tweet. My oga, God bless you, sir. Daddy, God bless you. This one na parliamentarian assembly. For inside parliamentarian assembly, we dey sample the opinions of people concerning issues wey dey come. Recently, Donald Trump for America, President Donald Trump, he tweet, he say because of the kilikili, the kpai when dem dey kpai Christians, he say the thing don reach am here. The news don too plenty. So he wan send force come take do wetin? Come take save the situation. Many people dey say Donald Trump mbano. The thing when dey happen for Nigeria, not be only Christian that they kill, that they kill Muslim. But some people say no. The thing don tire people for here. Nigerian soldiers, whether dem weak, they no know. But some people say they're strong, they're gallant. Wetin be your own daddy for inside this matter as a parliamentarian assembly?
Who say Nigeria gallant? Where go face them? Where go face them? Who say so?
Na some parliamentarians like us na talk am say Nigeria gallant.
The person don't know wetin they talk. The thing wey happen be say they say that they kill. What Nigeria should say is that it is not only Christians that they are killing. When they throw something somewhere, it's anybody wey you meet, now they go. Go to Muslims, they don't bomb some mosques now. Yes, and they don't bomb some churches. So it not be only Christians, but the one way they call Christians, I think now the areas, some communities in Benue, in all those areas where they say now Christians dominate, and they go do that in overnight. You understand? And I don't think there's anybody that has been held responsible for doing all those things. So those are the things. That is what whoever any brand of Christian that go to complain, that is complaining that they are Christian, that is what they see. It's not that they didn't hear that they bomb mosque. Not that they didn't hear, they hear. But what is happening in those areas, and nobody has been held responsible. You can imagine somebody saying that Christopher Musa has been removed as the chief of army staff. I don't know what he did that time. They say now because he's a Christian. And when they release where the man is briefing the soldiers, when they release it for net, say this is the way the man was briefing the soldiers, you see that man has really worked. But I don't know, somebody can work and at the same time go and err in another way. So I don't have anything about that.
So Donald Trump now saying that he will come. Are you in support that he should send his troops down here? I
don't think he will come. He said he has already threatened. He has threatened that Nigeria is taking a step towards because of that threat. They are taking a step. I think that is all that is required. That is all that is required. He is not coming. He is not sending anybody. He will not send troops. But he has said it. I think I was reading somewhere that our president has started a move to send delegates to meet him, to talk to him. So there are some envoys, our diplomatic envoys, send them to go and discuss with him. I think that is what it requires. When they get there, they will tell him exactly what is happening. That is it.
All right, looking at the front page of the Nation, Senator Jimoh Ibrahim, CFRO, brought 1 million naira to be given to 1,000 students. 100 million to be given to 1,000 students. What is your take on that? What do you want to talk about?
Yes, states that still go by bursary award to the students, that is okay. It's good. The money was somewhere. If the money was not there, he will not bring it out. He had the money, so he brought it out, and to be given to the student that merited it. You understand? It's a very good idea. It's good.
Or is it constituency project?
I don't know whether it's who is that Ibrahim?
That's all.
This Jimoh Ibrahim I thought he's a governor.
He's a senator.
He's a senator.
Because it can be using constituency project to do, we give him glory. If it's our money, it's too small.
No, he's spending if he's using constituency allowance for this kind of project, he's only using part of it for this. He doesn't say that he's stopping at that, did he?
No, because he has not declared full detail where the money is coming from. Because that's transparency we are talking about.
If I say I want to give somebody money, I have some money to give to some to help some people to work. Is it lawful for you to come and be challenging me? Where did you get the money? Which money where you they give?
But then get constituency.
It's in my custody. I'm coming. It's in my custody, and I'm in control of it. In as much as it's now, this one is on record now that is giving it out to so and so. If in future they say he chop money, he go measure and say so amount where I give students na part of the money. So what?
But if you mention here say na constituency project in they do with this one, e bad?
Well, but it is you who is interpreting it to be constituency project. He has not said it. So maybe you should ask him, is it a constituency project? Ask him. Let him say yes or no.
Thank you very much. All right, when you see elders they talk, you go know, Daddy, God bless you. Elder na elder. They no dey very overget o. Parliamentarian Assembly, how una dey? Apart from saying we don dey look inside the issue of Donald Trump with the tweet when he tweet, plus including this 100 million when Senator Jimoh Ibrahim put for ground. When we dey look, we want to still talk about industry for inside this country. Many people dey say to say industries dey. Some people dey talk say make our politicians make them dey build industries, some of them fit join money together put better industries for ground. The other day when we dey for parliamentarian assembly here, somebody dey talk say that money when dem talk say make dem donate for inside library when our big mommy Remi Tinubu say make dem dey donate for library, instead to say dem fit donate that money, all the big politicians when dem come that day with philanthropists, businessmen, make dem donate that money take repair even one refinery. He say for better. Say for library now you go. The library, some of them no even get computer, and these days they no dey talk of library and paper again. Bible of electronics. He say whether na electronics and na him go put for there. Wetin be una own for inside the issue of manufacturing for inside this country? That make I ask you.
This idea of manufacturing you are talking about, it's not today that people have neglected it. It's not today. I remember in Kwara those days, there's one big man. In fact, Senator Shola Saraki, that's this young man, his own father. Then I learned he had a bread industry. At the end of the day, the thing collapsed. He said, "Na chop the thing no work." And he had the money to even look for another way of another industry. He didn't do anything in Kwara. He didn't do it, but women will tie gele and go and line up in his house to be begging, to be taking food. They will be giving them food. The last time that happened, maybe this Saraki, his son, he was sharing Ankara, this cloth, And so as people they push themselves, a wall fell to hit somebody down and kill. So what kind of life is that? So they should invite. It is true that there should be. They are not thinking of industry. They should create industries where people will be gainfully employed, not sharing of money, not telling people to come and line up to carry food. Give them cooked food though. It's appalling. It's not so. It's a long. They are supposed to do that. There are people who have the money, but they don't want to do it. Whether they are afraid to do it, I don't know.
All right, my people, we don't touchlight many things today. The issue of industries, when we say, then they encourage Nigerians to go into, so that we not go just be consumption country. Consumption country, the time don rain go. You say make we try the country when they manufacture. When you get country when they manufacture, employment go dey inside. Like this my young man now. Like you now, which work you learn sef? Me? Make I ask you true, which work you learn?
I'm a confirmed digital professional barber.
Barber, you be barber.
After my school, I now decide, say I want to be a musician. Music no go. I speak legit patois. Everybody know that is my skills. I'm danced 12 years in that council of Kogi State. I go Ghana 2 times.
As a dancer?
Now, when government of the country, when you hear saying a dancer, they say the guy don't lose control of memory. When we are a player or footballer, they say you don't lose control of memory.
No, okay, they say the time say footballer don't lose control of memory.
Yes, so listen now, wetin dey happen for this country? You know the doctor, you know the engineering, you know the this one. And that engineer they read, you go here say Nigeria, if you dey work for bank. Na Nigeria, if you doctor, they work for bank. If they pack cassava inside bush, graduate they do Okada. Na Nigeria you go see am. Oga, bros, we no go find solution. These our leaders. This money check am, see how it be. This money you pack am.
But
you pack am. Your pikin get in destiny as they come. Nobody know past God. You will get opportunity today where they pack. Your generation will be your farm. If you know one day to put this money, switch to share. If you die, Malaika want to chiri. If you're a Muslim, you're a Christian, Malaika want to chiri. If you hold you go regret the mistake you do for this health.
All right,
but you make people poor people to not eat well before they die. Some people hungry kill them, bro.
You know, you see what one question when I asked you just now, say,
whether do you need any Donald Trump to intervene for our matter? Who is Donald Trump? To Nigeria. Now they know your person will know your house pass yourself. Let us check out. Let us be realistic. Person go know your house. Pass you will get the house. Now you know what they live there. Try stand up. Hey, you come. Alaji Nosa come. Moses come. Daniel come. Mustafa come. Who put it together? This way they go. Let's put this thing. This country.
But you told me say you be musician. Just I think of compose one music. Take salute Nigerians. Make them unite.
Yes.
Oh yeah. Go ahead now. Make we hear that music.
Yeah, man. Rastafari, we gotta tell you, this God will give us the power to give us the wisdom, professional ordination. You check this now. Oh, Yoruba people, Igbo people, and Hausa Moku come as one house. Oh yeah, Yoruba people, Hausa many come as one house. Oh yeah. If una no come in children go cast, if you cast wahala go start. After your school, you no get work to do. At the end of the day, when you carry gun tomorrow, nobody to question you because they no train you proper. Who got respect, man? You gotta tell you, I mean, you sing music long time ago. You gotta tell you, boom.
My brother, now they see talent when they waste. Talent when they waste. Hey, don't just see where you there.
They be doing whiskey now. They don't know.
They go know you. They go know you. They go know
everybody.
They go know you. They go know you. They go know you. You know. Say amen. They go know you. Just work on this thing. Work on yourself.
Okay, listen to this one track now. Oh yeah, only solution na Jesus Christ. Papa dey kwan and mama dey kwan. Solution today in Jesus Christ. Or for suffer for mama, or for suffer for pikin. Pikin no finish school, you no get job to do. What to best carry gun tomorrow? Our government tell leader better find solution. Wetin we go do our country go better. The only solution na Jesus Christ. Wetin we go do our country go better. The only solution na Jesus Christ. Tenant line dey fight every day. Wetin dey cause to fight every day. Asaba wey dey dey for back. See Richards wey no reach anything. You go pay house rent, you go pay school fees, you go pay the money for food. Wetin Baba go do? Omo wey na know.
The only solution na Jesus Christ. Wetin we go do our country go better. The only solution na Jesus Christ.
Hey, make we clap for her, make we clap for her, make we clap for her. Ah, all right, my brother.
Yes, sir.
Before we come for this one, a parliamentarian assembly.
Yes, sir.
Not be parliamentarian. This is parliamentarian assembly.
Yes.
And all these people they see for here, so we are all members of the parliamentarian assembly.
Yes, sir.
And me, now that they call Oshobe, not be one man load or guy vendor. We talk about the tweet when Donald Trump tweet. He come dey shake every place. He come dey make water dey do gbodum, gbodum, gbodum. He come be like say he do wetin? He shake table. Everybody that thing when Donald Trump tweet. He say he don see say the kpai when dem dey kpai Christians for inside this country, e don reach am here. He say so he go send a military come go do wetin? Go come delete the people when they delete these people. You support that thing?
Actually, me personally, I am in support of it.
Why?
Yes, because our leadership in Nigeria, they are not ready to put some things in order to make individual and the poor people to secure their life. To me, if the Mr. President want to do the right thing, you know what to do. They are playing politics with people's life, and you came into the government. It's the same people that brought you on power. Today, their life are not secure. So if they will find security in another place, at least it's the best.
What are you now calling Nigerian soldiers? The gallant Nigerian soldiers. Are you saying they cannot do it?
Our Nigerian soldiers, they are perfect, okay. They can do the job.
Then why do we need Donald Trump?
Right. Our leadership, first, I want to call the attention of our Mr. President. Our Mr. President, it is only him alone cannot do the job. We have the senators, we have House of Rep members that represent all their zones. What are they doing with their people? This insurgency that is happening today is caused by politicians. Let's be honest within ourselves. Yes. They are not, because the needful thing that they're supposed to do for the society, they are not doing it.
Like what?
One, the empowerment that they're supposed to give to their people. I remember in those days, I'm a young boy, but at least I've grown up to some certain stage. For farmers, if you go various villages today, it is very lucky to see the youths in other villages, because they are looking for a bread owner, because they finish school. After finishing school, there's no job, and money that they need to empower, and most of the things, the bandits in their village killing them. They could not be able to. They don't have the security in their hometown where you are born. There's no security in that place. So some of them run down to the town to look for meaning things that they do. And most of the things they are doing in the town now, they are Okadas. Those Okada, they can do it in the village and make money, but insecurity in the village, they cannot make them to stay. Some of them run to the town. So and we have House of Rep members that represent them at the national level. We have senators that represent them in the national level. We are not talking about the head now. What are they doing about their places?
Only if he lies the head and wear the crown, that is what they say.
Sorry, sir, come back to this, sir.
They say the person where wear the crown.
I know where the thing they pay now.
Now let everybody point the finger to Baba Tinubu.
No, Baba Tinubu is supposed to do one thing. Me personally, I want to request for something.
Tell her what you supposed to do.
I want Baba Tinubu to please, because of God, let the senators, let their salary be reduced. Yes, sir. Then you should channel that salary to industry. When the salary of the senators and House of Rep member are reduced down, you will see many of them will not be killing. Many of them will not be sponsored bandits. Again, you see, there will be a peace in this Nigeria. I'm telling you the fact. Let the senators' salary cut down. House of Rep member cut down. Then channel the remaining money to industry. Let the masses that they are representing get job, you will see, even though you are packing money and people are getting job, they are doing things. Who will care for what you are doing? It is when the poverty it is on ground many. Now we are talking about the important thing now. What do you call civil servant? The civil servant. How many people are civil servants today? I want to set example in my own state, Kogi State, as a whole today. Kogi State today, if you go to many ministries now, you can count the number of civil servants in ministry.
So what are you advising His Excellency Ododo? What are you advising him to do? And how did you get your statistic that the numbers of civil servants have reduced?
When you go to the ministry in the morning, you will know. You will see them. Today is Monday. By 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, it is few number of people.
You not sure say they know they like to go work?
No, it's not so. It's not so. When there's a population, even though few people did not come, you will see number of people on ground. Are you getting me now? There is no employment.
So what is the advice I make you do?
Now, let Ododo,
just the camera make tell him.
let Ododo do employment. Let Ododo open industry. That is the fact. For the youth, let Ododo build an estate. The house rent in Lokodana is high side. People are suffering. People are collecting
Three
salary.
things now you talk.
Yes.
Make you employ.
Make you build an estate. When you build an estate as a governor, the house load of house rent will reduce because the civil servant that are working, they will collect house owner occupancy. They will collect house owner occupancy.
Yes.
From their salary, they will be reducing it. So those of them that are renting, they will move to those estates. You will see there's a vacancies in the town. As I'm talking to you now, a 2-room and parlor self-contained in GRA is 800,000. Room and parlor. I'm not talking about 2-bedroom. Room and parlor in GRA, Lokoja here, it is 800,000. How much is your salary, sir? And we are living in a civil servant state.
So you
how did the people cope?
So you advise our indefatigable, irrepressible, dynamic, unshakable flower boy.
Yes,
make you build low-cost housing estate.
Yes, sir.
For
Workers.
Bang,
Yes.
Not politicians.
Not for politicians. Because normally when they build like that, they allocate to the politicians. Those politicians will now on their own be giving to their individuals. Get friends.
Okay.
Yes.
Specifically, you say they should build for workers.
For workers.
Just as we have the workers' village.
Yes.
Just as we have
200 units.
200 units.
500 units.
500 units.
Yes.
Wada estate.
Okay.
There's no excuse.
For the location of the land, there's no excuse. Anywhere, even in Banda, we can go find land.
Okay.
Into 8.
There is land.
There's land.
There is land.
Anywhere.
I know, sir, there is land in Lokoja Road.
Okay.
Anywhere. There's no.
All right. Make a pass information because as the man representing the parliamentarian assembly, you know, say Oga Governor. Now here we go get information when we go pass give you. Not be say we get anything against anybody, but any information when we get here we go pass and give you. Well, we let them put water for mouth. They talk am. Your people, the citizens, they say. Make you try do one thing. You say the people when you dey for inside government work, they don't reduce. Say they don't reduce well. So therefore, it won't make you do employment. They won't make you do wetin, make you build housing estate. They won't make you do industry. Make you build one industry when e be say you go fit take co-guys, young co-guys, make them dey work. As we know say Dangote get cement. We still get opportunity to build our own cement industry. Have you not been so? We get our opportunity to build our own cement industry. When you go, they rival the one when Dangote get, and they make we not say rival to complement to complement them. Make it not be saying unnecessary rivalry, but this one to complement them. And of course, how many people now in Dangote refinery go fit employ? But when we build our own, because we know say the resources we still get them for here. So before you know wetin dey happen, we go reduce the numbers of unemployed. All right, we still there for.
Yes, I still remember one thing.
Yeah, what do you remember?
The retired civil servants.
Yes.
They placed their list, and up till now, the state government have not answered them. they should do something. These people have labored for this country. They have labored for this state. This is their entitlement. This is their rights. They should not come to be begging. They should not. These people have already hold it. Some of them, they pack them. I see one. They cannot even move. They have to come down by all means. That the state government should do the needful. Let these people get their money. They have suffered enough.
All right, I did one program when the ogbonge woman for pension office, they talk say they do everything when dem go take do wetin to take pay pensioners. But wetin somebody dey talk here be say even if dem dey do am, make dem fast forward am, because the woman talk say na backlog, the thing plenty for back. So before dem go do am come, e go plenty, but im dey talk say im beg bikonu make dem fast forward am, and I know our flower boy go try do everything possible to make life. Oga, you get many requests.
Yes, sir. And the second thing, I'm coming, sir. Oga, moment, you know verse now. Now talk here with the talk. Now wetin dey cause problem for our society? Now be this. We are suffering.
You know, say na him be chief parliamentarian.
Yes, sir, we know, sir.
Respect am.
I respect am. The second thing, before now they place.
You don talk pass 4. Now you dey see dey take talk second.
They place the list. Before now they pay 100,000. But now they will place it. But now they are not placing what they are paying them again. Those people that they are sending on assignment, please, Mr. Governor should do something about it. Whatever they are paying the pensioner, they should.
So you are talking about transparency.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
They should place it. Let the people that receive it, they should know. So if there is anything, they can shout out. Now they don't know actually what they are taking. Yes, sir.
All right, so we go for inside the parliamentarian assembly, and we get one of our ogbonge elder statesman for here. When we say elder statesman, na man when he don see 99, not be 100. Oga, we start our parliamentarian assembly with the issue of Donald Trump when he tweet come say he go send troop to come do wetin, come eliminate and delete people when they kill Christian. Many people dey say no be only Christian that they kill Muslim, but we won't know. That tweet when Donald Trump tweet when he talk say he go send come, wetin be your own for inside? You gree?
No, I no gree. What I want the government to do, President Tinubu should try it and go to them and explain things, because this killing of those people, not only Christian, Muslim and modern, you go in the mosque, they will surround you and kill them. Look at what happened in Plateau, happened in Kwara now, and now the same thing in Kogi. You see, a lot of people have been killed. The only thing I will advise the government, if Donald Trump as he talk it, that is why people are reacting. So the president should go and meet them if they can even get those people, especially those our kidnapper banditry. He should assist them with weapons and other things. Then my major problem, some of us who are retirees, the way they are paying this money, the way the government is hearing, Governor Dodo is a listening governor, but they are not telling the right thing.
Okay, you tell me.
Yeah, the right thing I want is that, look, people are dying, people are in hospitals. Even this 100,000 where they say that they give some people, they are not collecting it. Many backlog of cards is there. Look at almost 8 years for leave bonus, outstanding leave bonus for these retirees. They are not enjoying it again. But I feel that now the government should look at how he will set aside, especially this our leave. Wow, this money, creativity is one of the things that likely to happen. If they cannot even pay it, or if it is half, they should give us and let us enjoy it before we die. That's why I'm leading to the government.
All right, so thank you very much. This is our elder statesman. He don't talk, he might finish. He say, he softly tell a pikin. Now pikin he be. Say make it.
Our man is the only one that God sent to us.
All right, thank you very much. What did you talk so? You go here because this our Oshobe. They go everywhere. And when next you come here, we go what make you see talk for issues like this. God bless you. All right, oh my people, we do for the parliamentarian assembly. For instance, the parliamentarian assembly, we dey look trending issues. And the trending issue when we dey look now, na the issue of tweets. When Donald Trump tweets, he say if care is not taken, he go send pa, he go send two, he go send kuku, come Naija, come do wetin, come settle the matter, because the kpai, the deleting of Christians e don too much. But people say Donald Trump, you no catch am well. The deleting no be only Christian that they delete Muslim, that they delete Christian, that they delete pagan selves. So therefore, as the matter be so, make you check and balance the matter well. Oh, we got one our guy here. Okay, wetin be your matter for inside this tweet when Donald Trump tweet? You want make he send truth for?
No, I don hear say the oga patapata wan go visit am.
Oh, they say.
So the matter no be small matter. But if you fit help us, see, they are not it's inside the bush. They can easily get them, except if you are joking. No how, even the helicopter where they fly up and down now. I hear say they are making progress. There's a way you can trap them in the bush without being, so that they will. It's too much, especially go to Yoruba land. You see kidnapping every day, killing every day. Man, no, we are tired. If we can get foreign help that can help us, I think it will be good.
So you concur to wetin Donald Trump talk. So make it them come.
Let them come.
Let them come. All right, we dey for inside the parliamentarian assembly, and una dey see the argument wey dey go on for there. For inside the parliamentarian assembly, we dey talk am as we see am kpomkwem. We no dey put water for mouth dey talk am, undiluted, but straight to the point, because we know say for inside this country, Oshobe no be one man load o. Oshobe no be one. Na when we join hand together we go fit carry this country. That is why we dey come for here. Dey give our leaders correct talk when they comot from the mouth of Nigerians, ordinary Nigerians, make them know say yes, this na where they pain them. Because na one man sing o, na where they pain person e dey put for near fire. Oh, blessed memory, Hotel the Jordan those days. All right, we dey go back and we got many things wey we go talk. Donald Trump, you don dey hear wetin Nigerians dey talk. Some of them dey say make you come, some of them dey say make you jailbreak, some of them dey say make you send aid. The aids wey you go send come, make you send the one wey be say e go fit filter, make you no come delete both the ones when e be say e good join o. So make you say if na aid you go send come, send am come. The one wey you go fit filter the jankoliko people comot. But wetin oga, you get matter for inside this place, make you come talk your own, because as we dey talk am now, everybody must chook mouth for inside this matter, so that the country go move forward siriri were. This one na oga vendor for the parliamentarian assembly. Remember, not be parliamentarian o, na parliamentarian assembly be this o, where the issue trends and where we say it as it is. Representing your consequences. Okay? How you dey? This, you know where you dey, so? You don't know where you dey. Is this man a member? This is the parliamentarian assembly. Say it again. The parliamentarian assembly. So you are a member of the parliamentarian assembly. Now, did you hear of the tweet of Donald Trump? You hear what Donald Trump tweet? I don't want. He said no. This one na man when he dey parliamentarian, he say he no wan talk for inside the matter. All right, so we dey for the parliamentarian assembly. We don torchlight some matter for inside the parliamentarian assembly. We dey come for back to let una know wetin dey again for parliamentarian assembly. And remember, anytime you tune in, make you know say we go talk matter as e dey. Your comment for each of the matter when we talk for here, we wan see am, so that you too, your voice dem go hear am for inside this matter. No forget to remember say na parliamentarian assembly with Oshobe I dey here still. Oga vendor. I don waka.